So this person is earning over 14 million coins every day. If you divide 100 million coins by this over 14 million coins, you will find out that it will take him just 6 days, almost 7 days, for you to earn 100 million coins. You're welcome to Airdrop Search, where we bring you quality airdrops and crypto updates. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn 100 million Hamster Kombat coins in 7 days. Before we go ahead, let's look at what Hamster Kombat is. You say who we are. Hamster Kombat is a new project where you can become the head of the largest crypto exchange and take control over your income. You can invite friends, complete tasks for more profit, push your exchange to the top, etc. What's the point of all this? Because you need it. We are gonna be listed for sure. Then below is how to play. That's how to earn in Hamster Kombat game. For you to start, you will need to click on this link. I will drop the link on the comment section and also on the description box. You click on it, it will take you to the bot directly and it will start the bot. And here says, hello Vic, welcome to Hamster Kombat. You are now the director of a crypto exchange. Which one? You choose. Tap the screen, collect coins, pump up your passive income. Pump up your passive income. This is what I'm going to focus on. Then it says develop your own income strategy. We will definitely appreciate your efforts once the token is listed. The dates are coming soon. As you can see, the dates are coming soon. Don't forget about your friends. Bring them to the game and get even more coins. Click on this play in one click for us to enter the main interface. While opening it, you will see the projects they've done already based on their roadmap. You can see the basic game, staked, mining upgrades, earn tax, referral, level ratings, daily rewards. Those have been achieved already. Then you can also see token airdrop, squads, time limited events, PvP battles. Those are the things on the pipeline. They've not done those ones yet, so they still have a long way to go, and that means that this is the best time for you to join and make a lot of money. You can see the bot has helped me to mine 479,720 coins. This was just within 2 hours that the bot helped me to mine, and I'm going to show you how to go about it, because some of you have mined for some days or weeks and probably you are within 9 million, 10 million or so. This 7.6 million you are seeing here was mined in the last 24 hours, not days. Now when you enter, this is the first thing you are going to do. Click on this place. If you just joined, it's not going to show you Binance. It's going to show you select exchange. Then you click on it. Then you select your language. Then select exchange. All these ones are the exchanges they are in partnership with. They are looking at to list on. I chose Binance. You can choose any one that you like, or will give you the same thing. Then you are going to click on this place, Earn. Click on Earn. Once it opens, the very first thing you are going to see there is daily reward. As you can see, it is over 6.6 million coins, and you have to come here. You say daily reward, accrue coins for logging into the game daily without skipping. You just come here on the first day, you claim 500, then on the 10th day you claim 5 million. Then the cycle continues. Then another thing you're going to do is to join all these Telegram groups, join Medium, Discord, follow them on X, then choose your exchange, which I've just shown you how to do it. Then if you invite 3 friends, they will give you 10,000 coins. That's the very first step to start earning from the app. Then we come to friends. These are the people that have invited so far. You have referral bonuses. Then you come under mine. This is where we are going to focus on today. Men, looking at these things, they look a bit confusing and I did not understand them for 2 weeks. Now look at this place. Here says profit per hour. As you can see, you are seeing 200,390. That means I earn this amount of coins every 1 hour, and this bot will work for you for 3 hours. Unlike Notcoin or TapSwap, where the bot will work for you for 12 hours. This particular one will work for you for just 3 hours. So if we just do a simple calculation, you see 200,390 times 3. That means every 3 hours I should be earning 601,170 coins. Now in 24 hours of the day, if you divide it by 3, we have 8 sessions. So in a day I should be earning 4.8 million coins. 4.8 million in a day. But why you can see that I just have 7.6 million here is that I'm using it to buy. Even the one you are seeing here, I'm going to make use of it right now. Then you are going to see this place. You see under here, you see markets, you see PR and team, legal, special. When you click on PR and team, it has similar things. They are like the ones under market. Now let's click on legal. This is legal. They still have similar items. Like, then this is special. This is where we have special items, special offers. These are the ones that I've missed. But let's go back to market. This is market, and from what I can see here, they just added the last ones on the down part of this place, the last 4. This particular to X10, margin trading X10 and margin trading X30. Why I highlighted both of them is that both of them are open for me to purchase. They're open for me to purchase and I can buy them right away. But you can see these ones on the right hand side, margin trading X20 and margin trading X50. Both of them are locked, so I have to meet certain conditions for them to be opened so that I can buy them. When you start buying newly, you will see many of them that you will need to fulfill certain conditions for before they will open for you. So you just listen and understand this. For example, you can see this margin trading X20. They wrote under here margin trading X10 level 5. What this means is that before this one will be open for me to buy it, I must buy this margin trading X10 up to level 5, and currently it is at level 0, so I've not bought it at all. So that's what this particular thing means. Now look at this margin trading X50. It is also locked, just as you can see. Then for me to open it, I must buy margin trading X30 up to level 8. this is margin level X and is still on level 0. So we are going to buy them right away so that you see how it works. Remember that I'm mining at 200,390 coins per hour. Then let's come back and purchase this margin trading. We are going to purchase level 1 at the rate of 2,500 coins, and we are going to have profit per hour, which is addition of 275 coins per hour in profit. Then you click on go ahead. If you check this our profit per hour, you are going to see that it has added. It's no longer what it was before. Then come back, buy level 2, level 3, level 4. Remember that before this one opens, we must buy this margin trading X then up to level 5. Let's just do so. Boom, you can see that this one is now open for purchase. So I go ahead, I want to buy up to level 10, and I've just done that. Then I'm switching to margin trading X20, and I'm going to buy up to level 10 as well because I have enough money. Yeah, that's done. One thing you will notice is that the more you buy, the higher you go, the costlier it becomes. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an update, you will be the first to be notified. Do not forget to like this video and also share. Then look at this. Remember that we have to buy this up to level 8. Let's just buy the level 8 so that this one will open. Boom, this one has opened. So let me go ahead and buy up to level 10 on this before I come to X50. I've done that. Then I'm buying margin trading X50 right away, and I'm going to buy up to level 10 as well. Then if I have more money, I will now go back and buy more. And remember that every necessary link is on the comment section and on the description box. So I'm buying more to make sure that I exhaust all the money I have there, or all the coins that I have there. Someone might be seeing it as if you are wasting your coins. No, you are not. Even if these people announce that in the next 10 days that they are going to list or that they are going to stop mining, I assure you that with this current rate I am right now, in the next 10 days I should be making over 60 million. Yes, over 60 million coins. Now my balance can no longer buy anything from the other section. I'm going to look for another thing to buy here now. Okay, under legal I can see some that are open. I'm buying KYC level 14, KYB level 13, and I still have some money, 51,000. Okay, I'm buying KYC again. I will still buy KYC. Then my money remains 4,000 coins, and with that 4,000 coins there's nothing I can buy. So I come out I'm going to use another earning strategy. There are different ways you can earn from this app. Meanwhile, can you see I'm currently mining at 252,004 per hour. Let's do another calculation. 252,004. Let's multiply it by 24. That's in a day, 24 hours. So that means every day I am making 6 million coins every day. 6 million coins. Now look at this place. If you click on this place, the level I am is legendary. If you look at this place, you will see the person on number 1 is earning 604,256 coins per hour. The second person is earning 500,000, 581,000, 577,000, 576,000. Then look at little me, 252,000, and I am rating over 10,000. You can see what people are earning. Look at even the person on the 100th position is earning over 500,000 coins per hour. You can imagine how much these people are earning. Now look at this person that's earning 604,256. Let's do a small calculation. 604,000 So this person is earning over 14 million coins every day. If you divide 100 million coins by this over 14 million coins, you will find out that it will take him just 6 days, almost 7 days, for you to earn 100 million coins. So you can see it's achievable. There are different other ways to earn from this app. You can tap and empty this tank. You can also use boost to earn. You can also invite friends for you to earn. So there are many opportunities on this app. I am tapping to empty the tank. So when you click on the boost, you are going to see this full energy. You have 6 slots every day. You have to come back every 1 hour to claim it. Thank you for watching this video. Check the comment section right now or the description box. All the links that you need are there. The registration link is also there.